Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Skin. Today we are going to study a poem, okay? A poem by William Shakespeare. You must have heard the name, this name. This name is very famous in the world. William Shakespeare, as a dramatist, as a poet also, okay? As a writer, as a epic writer. He has written many works. He has contributed many things to the English literature. So today we are going to study a poem by Shakespeare which has been taken from his famous play, one of the famous play, that is As You Like It, which is considered as comedy. Okay, so this poem has been taken from As You Like It, one of his plays, and the name of this poem is Seven Ages of Man. So in this poem you will know what he has explained, how he has explained about the seven ages of man, different ages of man. So he had categorized. So as I said, seven ages of man. The name of this poem is Seven Ages of Man, and this is written by Shakespeare. So I'm not going to recite this poem, this long poem. It will take too much. So you can see here the poem is already shown. The page is already shared. You can see here the poem. Otherwise, you can go through the link and you can download it. The next is that we will discuss what he wants to say through this poem. So as the name is Seven Ages of Man, so we will know about first age, second age and third age, fourth age, like that, seven ages of man. So the first two lines I would like to read out, like all the world's stays. He has written the poem starting with all the world's stays and all the men and women are merely players. He has told in the first line and second line, all the world's stays and all the men and women are merely players. So he has started writing like this, that this world, he has compared this world to a stage of theatre, stage of drama, okay? As he's a very famous dramatist, he used to write drama. So he has compared this world to a theatre, to a stage, okay? Stage of theatre. So all the words are stage. So this world is just like a stage and all the men and women are merely players. So all the men are here actors. He has compared the men with actors and women with actress. So what does he say? That all the world's stage and men are actors, women are actress. Now after that he has defined seven ages or seven acts of man and woman. The first, he has given the example of man, not women. So he has described seven ages of man, which starts with infancy. Okay, when a person is born. Okay, yes, our world starts when we are born. So he has started with that. The first age is infancy, infant, when the man is born. So when the man borns, he has described in his poem that when a child is born, then what happens? He is mewling and crying. He starts, child borns with the crying, okay? He starts crying, as you can hear only the crying sound. So he is in the arm of the maid, you can say, or nurse. He is the man, when he is born, he is in the arm of nurse and starts crying. He looks at the world as he means crying way, okay? Mewling and crying. He doesn't have any other work. The second, as he grows up, he has a second role. His role changes when he is admitted to the school. So the second role or second stage of man is as a schoolboy. When that child is little bit grown, 2 years or 3 years, and is admitted to the school, so his role changes and becomes as a schoolboy. So what happens to a schoolboy, whether he wants or not? For the first day it is okay for the child to go to school, but later on what happens? Gradually child loses his interest. Sometimes he or she doesn't want to go to school. So the poet has said, means simply carrying bag on the shoulders, and he makes his face in different way, with weird face he goes to school as a schoolboy. The third role is as a lover. When he grows up and becomes young, he has a role. Third role is just like lover, where he always try to praise the beauty of his beloved, the beauty of his beloved's eyes and everything. He always talks and describes about his beloved. And the fourth role is the most important that is just like a soldier. When a man becomes soldier, you know, in different sector what happens? The role of this role of that man tells him or pulls him or pushes him towards name and fame. What does he do? He can do anything. Even he can sacrifice his life for the name and fame, for the honor, for the fame, where he contributes. He sacrifices his life for the country also, just because he has to get name and fame. The next is just like justice. Justice means a matured man. Here you can say the matured man. He always talks about justice, knowledge. So this stage of man, in this stage of man, man becomes very wisdom. Man become very wise. You can say he has a wisdom. He loves wisdom and justice. Okay. The next role is just like pantaloon. He has used this word old pantaloons. Old pantaloons means just like the man starts growing old, and what happens? The specs come on his eyes, spectacles, and wearing spectacles and loose clothes. When he starts growing old, little old, then what happens? The man has to be little loose clothes, like loose trousers and sleepers and spectacles. All these things are described in the poem as a man when he grows little old after the justice role. And the next role is just the last. Next role is the last role of man, and after that man dies, and the last role of that man is just like second child is. Here the poet has used very nice word, second child is. Why did the poet say that second child is? Because as we know, as the person becomes old, what happens? He again starts behaving like child. Okay, he forgets the things. He behaves like child. He can sometimes be very humble. He can sometimes be obstinate also. He can sometimes scolds you. He can sometimes love you. So everything changes. As a child's mood changes, swings very fast. In the same way, so the second, we can say the last stage of that man, when the man becomes very old, and at the age of before dying, you can say he or she becomes very different and becomes a child again. Okay, so the second child is the last stage is second child is, and so all these 7 stages are defined by William Shakespeare in this poem. These are the roles of man especially in the world, and who has to play all these roles on the stage, on this world, and in this world. And after playing these all roles, what happens? He dies. So this is what the poem is by William Shakespeare. Thank you.